Hi there, I'm Dr. Grant Pagdin. When people come to me for a stem cell procedure, one of the questions they like to have answered is there any extended medical coverage? They realize that MSP is not likely going to cover the cost, but what about third-party insurers or any way of getting this reimbursed? Presently, MSP is not interested in covering these procedures because they are still considered to be experimental. So we are in negotiations with Health Canada right now to try and get these stem cell procedures approved as legitimate therapies for osteoarthritis. Once that happens, then we could lobby the provincial government to think about some coverage. So we're probably a few years away before MSP would consider covering these things. At the present time, there's no other third-party insurers that are keen to cover these procedures either. However, we have had some discussions with workers' compensation, and there is some interest in possibly providing some of these types of procedures to injured workers, but there's no guarantee at this time that workers' compensation would be prepared to cover. The only way these treatments have been covered for some of my patients in the past is if they have a health spending account organized through their company through which they're employed. And a health spending account allows you much more discretion as to how you would like to use these funds. Finally, if you wanted to submit your receipts to Revenue Canada at the year end, hoping to be able to deduct these things as a medical expense, it would be recommended that you review this with your tax accountant prior to submitting it, because everyone's individual financial circumstances are unique. So I can't guarantee that it would be covered, but oftentimes my patients have had success at least deducting this as a medical expense from their income tax.